Penske's 16-foot box truck is great for businesses needing to make small to moderate-sized deliveries. It's easy to load, unload, and drive. The box interior dimensions are 16 feet long by 6 feet 6 inches high by 7 feet 7 inches wide. That provides over 800 cubic feet of loading space and a 4,300-pound load capacity. A 33-gallon gasoline fuel tank powers a highly capable V8 engine, getting up to 12 miles per gallon. The interior of the box includes non-slip wooden floors, cargo tie rails, and a translucent roof to provide extra light. Loading and unloading is made easy with a roll-up door and a 1,000-pound capacity pull-out ramp. Inside the cab, you'll find 2-person bucket seats, anti-lock brakes, power steering, and an automatic transmission. Additional amenities include air conditioning and an AM/FM radio with auxiliary or USB input. Select models also come equipped with a backup camera and backup alarm. All that's left for you to do is load up and go. Visit PenskeTruckRental.com to reserve your 16-foot box truck today.